Hi there, welcome to my video on how to make a living on YouTube with affiliate marketing in 2021. Now, the world pandemic has definitely changed the business landscape, closing so many retailers down and businesses, so everyone's looking for an alternative way to generate an income. And I believe that YouTube is a great platform to combine with affiliate marketing because both have zero costs, right? Because even before the pandemic, many businesses could not turn a profit. And this was mainly because of things like advertising costs. Paid traffic is very expensive. Most people do not know how to use Facebook effectively. And Facebook is getting more expensive by the day with more people going onto the platform driving competition. So not only are you paying more than you used to, you're also dealing with a higher level of competition. And some of the competition actually have the financial backing to outbid you in the quality of traffic you receive. You know, nowadays it's much harder to actually compete in the online space. Only a few businesses actually succeed online. Most businesses fail. And the main reason is because they can't turn a profit. Even when it comes to Facebook, for example, or Google, sometimes it's a problem getting your ads approved. And if you continue to get them disapproved, what happens is they ban your account, meaning you no longer have access to your advertising account. This is a big problem if you have a business that needs you to have a strong online presence, because most paid traffic is known to expedite the process because you're paying to get put right in front of your ideal customer. However, once again, if you don't have the funds or you're spending more than you're making, this is going to be a failed business. And when you look at things like e-commerce, where sometimes you have to buy the product up front, and then you have to pay storage fees, and then you have to go ahead and pay advertising fees, you're spending so much money just to start the business that by the time you actually start taking action to promote your product, your business is starting to look like it's in bad shape. So how do you make a living on YouTube with affiliate marketing in 2021? So the first thing you want to do is you want to decide what niche you want to get into. Now, you can get into any type of niche, right? You can get into something that's very obvious, very unique, or something that has nothing to do with the list that I'm about to show you now. But these three niches are very big, and this is why I would advise you to get into them, because they have so many sub niches underneath them that you can partake in and promote that people are actively looking for. So now if you look at the wealth niche, right, there's make money online products. So these are products that show you how to do affiliate marketing. These are courses, right? These courses are trying to help you expedite your process, your learning curve. There's things like Forex, right? There's Forex trading, there's cryptocurrency. These are things that people want to learn. And there's courses and information about that. There's even software around these niches. There's multi-level marketing. It's the same thing. You have such a wide variety of options when it comes to these niches because they all have sub niches that have a big following. When it comes to health, we're talking about workout programs, diet pills, supplements. These are the things that you can actually offer your audience. You can make videos around these topics and really generate an audience that are searching for what you have to offer. Relationships, that includes dating, right? So the dating niche, there's so many affiliate programs, there's so many dating apps that you can drive an audience towards. There's so many dating programs that actually deal with how to get your ex back or how to foresee your future lover. I mean, it's just so many options you have here. But it's important that you either get into something that you have some knowledge about or that you're passionate about, because you want to be consistent when you're building your channel and you're making these videos. So the second thing you want to do is you want to do your research on the audience and the products that you want to promote. So let's say we're dealing with the audience. For example, let's look at dogs, right? If I'm getting into the animal pet niche and I like dogs, what you want to do is you want to start thinking about keywords. What are the problems that people are facing when it comes to their dogs, right? So you'd go to Google, and so this is where I'd recommend you get a Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere. Now, that's what it looks like. And it will cost you, but it's not a lot. I mean, $10 will get you a lot of credit and you barely go through the credit. So this is what Keywords Everywhere looks like. Let me turn that on. So what it will do, it will pull up the data for the keywords that you're typing into Google, and it'll show you how many monthly viewers are searching for that term. So let's say I want to make a channel around dogs, right? And I type in dog training. Now, dog training has 201,000 monthly views, and it's costing people $2.39 per click to be here, right? So in order for you to run your advertising, to put it in front of 201,000 people, monthly users, people are paying that amount per click. which to be honest is very worth it when you're thinking about the volume of people that are searching for that. This is a niche that has enough people that it's worth me creating a channel around to start promoting products. Now, when it comes to the product side of things, you want to go to a place like ClickBank. And if we go to Marketplace, we can type in dog. And it's going to give you a few products. But what you want to do is you want to look for things that you can see people are actually promoting and making money with. And it pays out $31.59. Now, if you can get multiple people to take action, you are going to make a lot of money. So you would promote this product and you'd get your affiliate link. You'd copy that and you'd put it aside somewhere. But let's say you wanted to do a bit more deeper research, then you'd go over to cbengine.com. Now, cbengine.com shows you what the products are actually doing. So for example, if you go to the left here, you can see ClickBank new products. Now, why would you want to look at this? Well, maybe you want to get on the trend early, right? Best gains. Maybe you're thinking what is actually moving right now. So what I would do is go to best gains and I'd look here and start to see what stands out to me. So you can come over here and have a look and have a play and do some more research if you want to have a gander. But if you don't want to do that, what you can do is instead of typing in a niche here, instead of typing in anything here, what you can do is just click the search tool and it will generate the products that are actually making money right now in real time, that's doing good in real time, and figure out if any of these products here relate to the niche that you are looking to promote. So you can see here, this would be the health niche. This would be the health niche and they pay out pretty good. Diabetes freedom, health niche, Carbo fix, health niche. This would be under spirituality, as you can see here, but it does pretty well, pretty good. They pay out $12, but a lot of people are interested in this type of stuff. So you can easily figure out what to promote just off of this. And there are other stores, like if you're in a place like Nigeria, for example, there's certain networks that are not necessarily friendly to countries like that. If you come over to an affiliate network called Digistore, then you're able to do the same thing. And I think you can be as young as 16 on this site and start promoting products. So, hey, there's literally no excuse at all. And it depends on the style of products you want to promote. For example, if you're doing physical products and you're doing physical reviews, maybe around technology, then you can go over to Amazon affiliates. If you're looking to do launch jacking, is where you're promoting products prior to their launch or their release, you can come over to a website like Muncheye. Now, Muncheye gives you the dates of their release, and what you can do, you can time your videos according to when these products get released. And they tell you the networks that you can get them from. So Warrior Plus is one I advise you sign up for. It's free to sign up. JV Zoo. JV Zoo is this affiliate site over here. I suggest you sign up to that as well, because most of these products are going to have their launches on those sites. So you can imagine if you did videos for all these different launches and you offered these people something great in order to purchase through your affiliate link, then you could be making some decent amount of money. So now you figured out, you've done your keyword research, and that bleeds into number 3. You've signed up to one of these networks. So you signed up to ClickBank, you signed up to Digistore, Muncheye, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, or Amazon affiliates. So you've got your product, right? You've done your keyword research. You know there's an audience. You know the product is good. The product is selling that you want to promote. Your affiliate product is selling. So you feel confident selling that. Now, I would advise that you create a landing page. So you want to get hold of some form of landing page software. So I personally use Kartra. So let me log into my Kartra account. So this is my landing page for one of the products on ClickBank that has to do with dog training. So as you can see here, this is a very clean landing page, right? Now, if we go over to ClickBank and we go back to dog training, I want you to take note of something, because this is going to help you a lot. So this is the product I've promoted, right? If I go over to their website, what do you see? So what do you see? You're going to see a consistency. This is my landing page, and this is the sales page. There's a certain level of consistency in image and look. And this is a trick that most people fail. You want to make it feel like it's a natural transition from your landing page and opt-in page to the sales page. So a little trick when it comes to just getting certain things right, like color. So you can go over to a website called Pine Tools. And what this is going to do is going to help you literally steal the color scheme of any image. So I would screenshot this image right here. And upload it to Pine Tools. Now, once your image is uploaded, what you're going to do over here is use the cursor and target whatever color on the page that you want. Let's say I want that color. And it's going to generate certain codes, right? The color codes. Now you can just copy paste the color code, head back to your software, for example, and put that color for your background. Now you've got a consistency with your landing page that's going to really help you when it comes to conversions. So this page will capture leads before sending them over to the offer. And this is how you're going to make a living with affiliate marketing on YouTube. Now the next step is to create the video on the product, right? So you've done your product research. You know there's an audience. You found a product that you think your audience will take to based on how many people are already making money with it, its popularity, and it makes sense financially because they're paying you out a decent amount. You've got your landing page in place, meaning that you're able to capture leads and build an email list before you send your viewers over to the affiliate page. Now it's time to create the video itself, and this is where you have to decide how you're going to do this. Are you doing a launch jacking? Are you doing a product review? Are you doing an unboxing? Each thing will determine how you present the material that you have. So for example, if I'm doing a product review for a microphone, I could just show you the Amazon page. But what if I physically had the microphone in front of me and I could show you all the features, how it looks, give you a 360 rotation view around the product, and you're linking them back to Amazon after the video, then you probably want to record and film yourself because now you're building know, like, and trust. So it would make sense for you to really get in front of the camera. There's other products where you do not need to be in front of the camera, so you can use tools like Vidnami. So Vidnami is a video software that allows you to generate high quality videos simply by inserting scripts into their system. And then you end up with something similar. For example, if we go here and we click back to the scripts, so I randomly put something in here from the internet just to kind of show you guys what I mean. So you'd put your content in here, then it would generate the scenes from your content. So this is about dog training, right? So it will generate videos and contents around dogs. Now, once you're happy with each scene, then you can go over here. Now I'm using the 14-day trial as an example for this video. So I don't have access to some of the voiceovers, but essentially, not only will you get captions in your video, but you will also get an automated voice if you so choose. You can upload your own, but if you wanted to use their voices, they have a few options of different voices. You can record your own voice or you could upload an audio track. But let's say you don't want no voices. So you just say, let me preview my video. And then it starts going to work. And just like that, you have your content. So let's have a quick look. See, that's a cute video. That's a high quality video and it gets the point across. So here's the thing, depending on the type of video or products you're reviewing, it's going to determine the type of video style that you're going to present to your audience. But once you've done that and you've got your content, the next thing is to get your video seen by people. Getting free billboard ads on the front page of Google is the way to go. Why? Because by placing free billboard ads on the front page of Google, you will get your offer and product in front of super targeted leads. People go to Google for one reason, to find something that they're looking for. And if what they're looking for is a solution to a problem, and you provide that solution and you attach a product that can make that problem go away, then you're going to start making a lot of money. And the fact that these YouTube videos are free and you're getting free love from Google, it means that you're not limited to how many videos you can produce. As long as you can produce them following specific systems, then you can get your stuff placed on the front page of Google. So if I go over here and type in ClickFunnels review, if I scroll down here, you're going to see people who have not paid to be in front of 3,600 people a month. Yet they're benefiting from being on the front page because Google has showed them a lot of love here. Otherwise, they'd have to pay $12.08 per click, which can get very expensive. That's why you see the main people here are actual companies and competitors and not individuals trying to promote their affiliate program because it costs too much. But it's worth it for these people, these companies, because A, that's ClickFunnels themselves, but B, they know that they're getting quality targeted buyer search traffic, right? These are leads that are literally looking to make a decision, but they just want a second opinion before they jump in. And if you can provide them with that option, then you are making a lot of money here. And the perfect thing about this is evergreen ads. This video was made in October 14th, 2019. We're in 2021 and he's still making money off of this. And he's going to be able to be here for a very long time. However, there's specific ways to do this. That's why I'm going to link a training below in the description or pin to the top of the comments. And it's a free training, but it's going to go into more detail as to how you guys can get your stuff right here on the front page of Google for your niches to make sure that you dominate the space without having to pay Facebook ads consistently and get your ad counts banned and all the horrible horror stories that go on when it comes to paid advertising. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I will be dropping new videos, hopefully daily or every other day. So definitely leave a comment in the description. Let me know what you're looking forward to, what you want to see, and I'll definitely start making videos around that. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day. See you soon.